Yo guys, we are back and it is Friday. We are here to win, yeah. We're on our second win streak right now. Yesterday was just all dubs. We could have actually had more, but we just really didn't pay attention. That's the thing we've got to learn and work on. The day before that, we catch the news, CPI down. If we actually held, we would have been like 1 to 23 right now, but we didn't hold because we're idiots, alright? We're learning. Anyway, y'all, disclaimer, I'm just an upcoming trader. I'm still unprofitable. If you guys want to join me, Discord down below. Let's get to the top together. Anyway, y'all, I already actually did my trade today, and let me just tell y'all, I took 2 L's. Nah, not even 2 L's, 4 L's. So this is really how I took 4 L's right now. I'll literally explain from the very top, the top analysis. We obviously know that in the 4-hour it's a downtrend. Let's just quickly just check the 4-hour. 4-hour it's a downtrend, broke to the downside. We understood this, right? But price during our time was in the manipulation phase. Price right now is in the expansion phase. You can clearly see here, this is the phase 1. We thought this was still going to be a phase 2 area where price pushes down, comes back up, grabs liquidity, and then pushes down to the downside. In this instance, price didn't do any of that. It actually just faked us out, pushed up, came back down, took our stop losses. I actually took in 2 trades because this is one of the good setups, really, especially on Fridays. I had more faith on Fridays because Fridays are usually good for me. I literally back tested Euro USD and it came back with a dub. For Euro USD, we had good returns, but in this case it was unfortunate. We were a bit stupid. We could have done a bit better, and yeah, I think it could also be due to the times now, because times now start at 4 o'clock now, so I think we could start trading at 5 depending, but yeah, we usually start trading at 6. You could say we did miss all the bullshit, like all the fake out, besides this one here. Kind of just got caught into it. Actually, we didn't miss it, we got caught into the last few fake outs. Now we're just expecting like the last trade we're ever going to take, so we're going to expect price to at least grab liquidity from here, and then we're going to buy it up. That's the goal, that's the plan, just because, you know, we have a bit of faith. We have a bit of faith price is still coming up, because this is still the expansion, is what I think. And it's at least, if it's not going to hit daily open or not going to hit liquidity, it's at least going to get to the halfway, the 50% retracement, which we're looking for. There's still news to come. It's at 12 a.m. so we have 2 hours left, but right now we are down 4 trades. These were the 2 I took on GU, and these are the 2 losses I also took on the Euro. Euro was practically the same deal. It was close to the monthly open price, so we thought to ourselves that we can buy this and push to the upside. Price was kind of consolidating, which is honestly what we don't want to see. Something that I've learned now, that when price consolidates, we probably just get out of it and enter in either at the bottom here. Let's get a better entry area, so we only lose 1 trade instead of 2. So in this case, guys, we entered in right here, and then when price came back down here, we took another buy right here, just because we wanted to get a really good entry. But obviously price didn't turn out to our favor. Same thing with price on Euro USD. Price literally did the phase 1, phase 2, but you cannot see a phase 3. So we are expecting a phase 3 to happen very soon. Don't know when, but it looks like it could happen in New York, and that's what we're hoping for, especially if news pushes it up. And if it doesn't, then we just take 5 L's today. 2 L's were 2 full trades, other 2 were half trades. And what I mean by half trades is when a trade is in, price comes back halfway, we take another buy here, so we're actually saving 50% of it, but we're making a lot more. Anyway, y'all, I'll catch y'all in 30 minutes. I'll wait for price to do what I want it to do. We can already see price already resisting in this area, especially when New York hits. Let's see what happens. Peace. Okay, guys, I've decided after my long shit to come back, and I'm only going to forward test. So if this ends up being great, that's cool. But I'm gonna follow my strategy, and my strategy is usually after 3 trades I'm done, and this was ultimately 3.5 trades, so I did go overboard and shouldn't have done that. That's one thing I shouldn't have done. And if I was to actually trade this, I should have had this in mind, which I did see, but I didn't think price was going to get down here, which in the end it did, so that was completely my fault. So if the price shoots up now, it's all good, and I missed out on it. That's all me, because I'm risking now too much and I've pushed my boundaries. For GU, same thing applies. Could have entered in right here, could have done a forward test. I'll probably wait for price to actually grab liquidity first to push the upside. So I'm only going to forward test. I'm not going to actually enter in no more trades because I'm done for the day, because I've actually messed up too many times. Probably 3.5 times I've calculated. I've actually lost 3.5 trades from this. It's a bit much, a bit overboard. And what I can really learn from this is really just risk management. I shouldn't actually have doubled down those trades. The reason why I ultimately doubled down those trades is because price looked like it was in a perfect position to actually push to the upside. And in the end, the price didn't actually push to the upside. So that was my fault completely. I should have probably just doing 2 trades counting as 1, but in better areas, instead of doing 2 trades counting as 1.5, something like that, guys. The point is, I should have just risked less, or I shouldn't have doubled down, because if I wouldn't have doubled down, I would have had, let's just say, 1 more trade to trade. and I would have traded in this area, taken one more buy, because this area is also a sweet buy. Probably not on GU, but on EU it's looking pretty nice. And yeah, it's just completely my fault. I messed up, and it is what it is, guys. We're gonna come back to the markets another day, and it's tough. This is what we got, guys. We got 4 L's today. We've actually currently lost around $84. So we really just lost all our profits we earned like 2 days ago. Yesterday we still have our profits, but 2 days ago we lost all that completely. So we're kind of probably break even or down for the week when we're up for the week. It is unfortunate, but there's a lot of things I need to learn just to capitalize fully on my good trades and to essentially get out of my bad trades and what to essentially do in those times. So I have a lot to learn, and I realize that. And if you guys want to join me to the top, that's where I'm going. Get in this Discord community down below, Traders Headquarters. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and also most of all, enjoy this video. Hopefully you learned something from this. And the reason why, just to add on top of this, is I also thought it was an expansion, the expansion phase. It just ended up it wasn't in the expansion phase. Anyway, sorry, I was chatting too much. You'll have a good weekend, and I'll catch you probably tomorrow. Sorry, guys, we're probably gonna go for a trade analysis for the week tomorrow, and I'm just gonna be surprised at how many opportunities I had, how many opportunities I didn't take, or that I didn't fully scout. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy. Peace.